Me, Ivo, I like this post that Anonymous put up. I thank you, Anonymous. But she is referring to the plan that the White Hats are following in order to liberate America and to make America great again. Can we discuss some of these points, please? Ivo, we can, my love. There is some information I can divulge to you. Clearly this information is only going to some of the people, others are not hearing the whole story and are revolting against lockdown. I can understand, certainly, that being locked in your house when you do not believe there is a threat to your well-being, and do not realize there are other threats to your well-being because you have not been informed of them, can be rather difficult. It has sounded, to many, as if the government has gone off its rocker. It has not. What is being carried out now is a very deliberate plan, that has been in the works for many years. This plan has progressed through many stages and prior attempts to implement it at this top level that we see today have been thwarted. It was originally John F. Kennedy's task to liberate planet Earth in the 1960s, and we know how this was thwarted. He was murdered by CIA officials who kept him from turning on the deep state and liberating America. Were there others working with him? Ivo, indeed there were, my love, and they too were either warned off or they too were murdered. There is no record of this now. But he had others working with them, and you can look at the Kennedy family itself to see who their associates were. Right. One of course being Marilyn Monroe. Ivo, yes, she knew too much, as you say, so she too, was murdered, and it was made to look as a suicide. Whose side was she on? I heard she was an MK Ultra sex kitten? Ivo, she was with Kennedy to gain information for the deep state. Wow. We always think of her as so innocent and frankly, pretty fluffy. Ivo, she was a spy for the deep state. And she knew too much. She was given this assignment, but it was an assignment with an unhappy ending for her, because she knew too much. She reported back and forth and, of course, her home was tapped, but they felt she had to be silenced. She was in fact, intelligent enough, my dear. So intelligent as to be able to pass on sensitive government information to her handlers. I always wondered about Jackie Kennedy. Why did she live? Ivo, she did not know that much, and she was easily silenced. Her son, however, was not. He was very interested in exploring his father's death and found out details through his political contacts that he was not meant to know. He has in fact faked his own death and has gone into hiding for now. Okay. Ivo, he is key to this plan. Then I hear that 9/11 was a mass murder of white hats who were at the Pentagon and in Building 7 of the Trade Towers. Ivo, this is true. In fact, the Saint Germain funds were due to be released at the same time, and these were stolen by the Bush cartel. Suffice it to say, we have worked on many safeguards to ensure these things, and others that we have anticipated or have seen occur through time travel to the future, will be thwarted. Curious, how did they get the Saint Germain funds back? Ivo, smiling, they had some help. Our quantum computers can hack any financial system on Earth with ease, and we are in fact in control of all at this time. We can put in safeguards where necessary and add viruses too. Like the ones that stop vote tampering, for example? Ivo, smiling, for example. We will keep your people honest. Can you please stop whoever is tampering with my email account? Ivo, if we deem it for the greater good, we can do so. Okay. Can we discuss the coronavirus, please? Ivo, yes, there are different strains. There is also no vaccine for this virus because there is in fact a virus that can make one sick, but not any more so than the common cold. What people need to be reminded of is that viruses have no cure. They are always allowed to run their course. Bacterial infections have cures, your people have no cures for viral infections. With a virus, it is a question of treating symptoms and strengthening the body to isolate the virus and to fight it off. The fact that there is no antidote for viruses should tip you off to the fact that they are in fact, not natural to your planet. As all upon your world is in balance, there is sickness on your world, but there is the cure as well, provided by nature. Viruses are contrary to this fact. They are artificial. Your medical establishment makes the money it does from you because your controllers have systematically weakened your immune systems. Had your immunity been at levels prior to the 1800s, for example, there would be much less illness than you experience collectively now. This is why viruses were created. The Spanish flu, the Black Plague, were all viral. They had to create a parasite that your bodies could not deal with without intervention. This is part of the control agenda, in controlling your bodies and creating fear which they feed off of. What in fact must be done with viruses is that they are rounded up and contained. That is the best you can do with them now. Understand as well that if your body does develop immunity to a virus, it is in fact throwing it out of balance, as viruses are not part of your inner or outer ecology. Me, so do they have a cure for it now? Ivo, there is no need, my love. The only cure is to strengthen the immune system. As you are now doing, bearing in mind that the immune system is part of the endocrine system, which also needs to be rebalanced in many. Me, so the question is, how do you break the grip of Big Pharma? Ivo, there are world leaders addressing this now with the white hats. In fact, you saw that Trump has dismissed the use of vaccinations for children, which is a big win for the people. This will also indicate that the terror of viral warfare will also come to an end soon. Me, absolutely. Ivo, as for Big Pharma, the best way is to turn to alternative medicines, homeopathics, and as I said, to strengthen the immune system. Your bodies are more resilient than you are led to believe. When you affirm that your immune system is strong, you will strengthen it. When you fret over your allergies, then you will weaken it. The body responds to what you tell it. Me, so there are a few questions pertaining to money, like how do you explain the economy crashing without admitting you are breaking up corporate monopolies, and how do you justify taking control of the economy and financial systems away from the Fed? Ivo, assuming that the Fed is the Federal Reserve. Yes. You build a new system and you tell people that it is a better, more fair system. That is how you do it. The dark has sold your people continually on lies that support the betterment of humanity. So why should the light deviate from this procedure? They too can say it is for the betterment of humanity, because in fact it is. There is no lie. Your financial systems will become decentralized, become more simplified. There are too many hands in the pot right now with monies being allocated at all levels. There will be more federal control of monies and a simplification of the process. Of course, the federal control will align with the QFS. Control of one's finances will be given back to the people. One can simply explain the economy crashing as being a system that no longer worked. Because this is the case. It never worked for your people, only for the controllers. At this time, Mr. Trump is overseeing all and allocating the new systems be brought to creation by his ministers who are primarily white hats. Me, what about Fauci? He's a Satanist. Ivo, yes, he will be arrested, my love. All Satanists are to be tried for crimes against humanity. He may believe himself to be safe at the moment, but his time will come. Those in political office will be stepping down and replaced by others who will put the new plan into place. Then this will spread to other countries. These steps are only beginning to take place in Canada, for example. Me, yes, Fidel Castro's son, Justin, is under house arrest. Ivo, and he has been replaced by another who will align with light policy and visceral law. What in fact is happening is the hard grit is being done primarily in the United States. This is the precedent. All other countries will be asked to comply. If they refuse, their governments will be voted out and a light government, aligning with visceral law, will be implemented. In the same way that Trump won in 2016, the procedure will work for all other countries. Me, that's a lot of work. Ivo, it is a large world you live in. Me, and so the last questions are the last 2 points. Ivo, how do you restrict travel to make sure they can't escape, and how do you accomplish all of that, without mass panic? Ivo, well, shall we say for starters that the COVID-19 virus is acting as a diversion? Because it is. It diverts the attention of the world population, who are busy trying to stay healthy. Others in the know, such as the red pills, truthers, light community and the Anons, are of a different understanding. The virus attack of the deep state was used as a diversion by the light. As for restricting travel, we of the light have your planet surrounded. We guard all portals in the hopes that they do attempt escape, and then we will catch them and bring them up for galactic trial. Me, yeah, I think Commander Hara is down in the Caribbean watching dark portals, pretty sure he said that. Ivo, yes. We have a system right now that informs those who need to be informed, such as the ones who are carrying the message through social media. You have also noticed the restraints put upon you on Facebook have been lifted. Me, yes, I have hundreds of new followers. Ivo, and this is because the quantum computers can put safeguards or viruses into your computers. Me, lol, I can see Zuckerberg freaking out, wondering what's happening to his mainframe. Ivo, he knows. They are well aware of what is happening. Their control is being taken away. Me, so the light workers were complaining and you took measures. Thank you. It was frustrating thinking I was working for nothing, talking to myself day after day. Ivo, and you still persevered. Me, I know. I'm nuts, aren't I? LOL. Ivo, you are dedicated. Yes, so on the questions. How do you restrict travel so that they cannot escape? For one thing, everyone on this planet is locatable by their energy signature, and our computers also do this. We can track anyone we wish to as well. So can the Matrix computers, and they have been tracking light workers. You see, my love, that you have not been harassed by men in black for years now and not shot by direct energy weaponry. This is because we have obscured your energy signature from their mainframe. Me, lol, thanks. They were a nuisance. Now I just need to work on these Archon visits at 4 a.m. Ivo, yes. They can track you as an organic. What I will say to all who are listening is that the technological system that Bill Gates and company has worked so hard to connect you to the Matrix computer with is also their undoing. So why do we not just shut off their computer, you ask? Because your reality would stop, and this would affect your minds greatly. You need to stop fueling their computer, giving it energy and giving them energy, by believing in the system. Yes, their computer works on energy, your energy. You are also in an ascension process, and this process must be left in place to the best extent possible. Your people need to ascend from the low position they are currently in and starve out their computer and the artificial timelines you are living on. Eventually your entire world will run off of the QFS, the quantum computer system that is aboard our ship. We can put in checks and balances, as we have begun to already, to ensure that your world runs smoothly. This computer works in alignment with universal law, and so you will be led to as well. Me, thank God. Ivo, exactly. Me, AHH. It's on the New Jerusalem. Just intuited that. LOL. Ivo, I will not confirm that, my love. Me, sometimes stuff gets through. LOL. Ivo, very well, my love. You are a dangerous weapon for the light. Me, haha. Funny. Ivo, I kid you not. You chose to come here, as did many others, to change an entire world, and now this world is changing by the day, as you can see. Me, I want to do a shout out to so many of the truthers who are tracking tank movements, dumb overtakes and other military information, because it's something that makes us feel that we're making solid progress. Ivo, hold the ideal in your minds at all times. and it will come to fruition. The energies support you. Thank you, my love.